Okay, so for our next question, we want to find the slope of the tangent line to the curve y is equal to x over 1 minus x at the point 1 over 2, 1. And after that, we want to find the equation of the tangent line. So first up, we know that the slope of the tangent line is going to be the derivative of y at that point. And so we can put in our y. It's going to be d over dx of x over 1 minus x. And then next up, we're going to make use of the quotient rule. So let's just write that down quickly. So d over dx of f of x over g of x is going to be equal to g of x by the derivative of f of x minus f of x by the derivative of g of x all over g of x squared. Okay, and so now let's write down what we actually have. We have f of x is going to be equal to x, so the derivative is going to be equal to 1. G of x is equal to 1 minus x, so the derivative is going to be equal to minus 1. And so we're just going to put all of that back into this. And so we get d over dx of x over 1 minus x is going to give us g of x, so 1 minus x multiplied by the derivative of f, that's going to be 1, minus f of x, so that is x, multiplied by the derivative of g, so that is going to be minus 1, all over g of x squared, so 1 minus x squared. So that is 1 minus x minus negative 1 times negative 1 is going to be positive, so plus x all over 1 minus x squared. These two will obviously cancel, and then it becomes 1 over 1 minus x squared as our final answer. And then, sorry, just one moment. So since it is at the point 1 over 2, 1, you're just going to put in those values here. And so we get dy over dx at the point 1 over 2, 1 is 1 over 1 minus 1 over 2 squared. So that is going to give us 1 over 1 over 2 squared, and this is just 4. So the slope of the tangent line to the curve y is equal to x over 1 minus x at the point 1 over 2, 1 is going to be equal to 4. In order to find the equation of the tangent line, we just write down the general equation for finding the equation of a line, and that is going to be y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Okay, and so we have the points x1, y1 is 1 over 2, 1, and m is equal to 4. So we're just going to want to put all of those values back into this equation. And it becomes y minus 1 is equal to 4 into x minus 1 over 2. So you just expand that out to isolate for y. And it becomes 4x, 4 over 2 is going to give us 2. So 4x minus 2 is equal to y minus 1. And then you just bring the 1 over to get y is equal to 4x minus 2 plus 1. And that becomes 4x minus 1. So this is going to be the equation of the tangent line. And that's going to be our final answer.